On a moody day, we don't start the child's day with a timetable. We started with a soft start. The first 10 minutes have no instructions, only settling. We have an observer seat. When a child feels off, they are allowed to watch the class first. When a child is moody, only one teacher engages with the child. Too many voices confuse the regulation. We don't ask a moody child to talk. We give them a small task. Hands settle the mind faster than the words. We never announce child is having a difficult day. Privacy helps children recover faster. If a child misses the first activity, we don't make them catch up. We quietly reset and move forward. On a moody day, children choose from two cards, sit or join. Choice reduces resistance. We avoid using words like upset or cranky. We use neutral language. It keeps the mood from becoming an identity. We are ready for the days your child isn't.